Okay, Saturday morning. Saturday is always a good morning. We're going to do the GTR. So I'm going to do the final in the boot sort of spray, but this is how it sits at the moment. I'll get the S15 out, prep it all up, do some sanding, do some seam sealing, set the booth up a little bit, but nothing too crazy. As you can see, I just kind of leave up the top there and on this wall in plastic. The rest always comes down. I don't need to do a big sort of booth for this one because it is the boot and it's close to the exit, so it should be pretty good. But she's a beautiful day. There's not much wind now, but I suppose the wind doesn't matter too much today. Let's get started. Sanded, seam sealed, ready to go. Let that dry for a couple of hours. About to start painting again. Got my little tray. It is going to be in the direct sun, so I don't know how that really affects much, but should come up pretty good. One, two, three, four. There you go. 4-second drip. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, bang on the money. And that's going to make it the right thickness. Not too thin, not too thick. Ready for the spray gun. Okay, that pretty much wraps this sort of video up, and it sort of wraps up my painting, to be honest. I might do a couple of little bits and pieces with a little bit of primer here and there. I've got a little tiny rust hole to sort of fix up, but it's looking pretty good, and I think I'm at that point where I can take it off of the rotisserie and put it onto the trestles now. But let's go have a little look. It's had a couple of days now to cure off. I'll flick it on its side in a sec, but this is all underneath the car. Nice transition from obviously the underbody into the actual paint. Looks pretty cool. Come up really nice. You'll see that there's a bit of primer around the outside top there. I'm going to leave that for the actual painter to paint, because you will see that when you pop the boot. But she's looking pretty nice. Looking pretty good, pretty good. Nice and shiny. Bada bing, bada boom. all the way through. Look at that. Not bad for a home job. Started putting a couple of little bits and pieces in there. Couldn't help myself. So yeah, basically what I've left is I've left all of this around all through here. I've left all of the, you know, door sills and stuff like that. That'll be all for the painter to do. Outside panels, all for the painter to do. All through here, painter to do. Just because you'll see all that, I want a super professional finish, showroom finish with, they're gonna do like a flow coat over the top, and then I'll get it, coated as well. And it should be super shiny, showroom finish, full restoration, bada bing. So yeah, I hope you like the results so far. I reckon it's come up pretty good. What's next? Probably going to take it off of the rotisserie, put it on the trestles and start building all the subframes in, so that should be pretty nice. I've got some videos on, well, a video on doing all the bushes and everything like that. Punching all those in, pressing all those in, so that should be good. Yeah, it's all the exciting stuff now. Bang!